Sing on. Hey guys, today we are going to she's like, I don't know, where's the script? That's what she's saying, where's the script? Anyways, we are going to do a boating tour on Bacalar Lagoon. And we're gonna be hitting different cenotes, 3 different cenotes, and then we're going around Bird Island, I believe it's called. And then at the end we're going to the Pirate Cove. So there's a pirate cove where the pirates used to come up the canal and attack the Spaniards and the Mayan people too. Should be pretty cool. It's 2 hours long. We get to swim in the cove, the pirate cove, and we get to swim in one of the cenotes. So stay tuned for that. So we're out here on our first stop of our boating tour. Right over here is Cenote Cocolitos. And I'm just walking in about 3 feet of water. There's Venus right there. And there's a ton of different boat tours out here. And people swimming. You can see a bunch of boats over here. A little brisk when you get in, that's why people are going crazy. But it's pretty awesome, dude. I'm out in the sun now and I'm feeling good. So next I think we go around Bird Island and then we get to go swim in the Pirate Cove too for another half hour. So we're just walking over to the really shallow part and it's getting warmer as we're walking out. I'm just in about 2 feet of water now. You can see the bottom perfectly now. Woo. Oh, now the bottom's like a rock.
Oh, wow. Waves.
Holy waves, where'd those come from? Yeah, there's not really waves around here that much. We're basically just floating here in like 2 feet of water, just like enjoying the shit out of it. It's so warm now. There's a nice warm patch over here. Casey's just floating around like she's 2.
Wow.
Okay guys, we're here in our last destination. We just went around Bird Island there. And now we're at the Pirate Cove. And this is what I was talking about earlier, where the pirates used to come up from the ocean. Well, there's a couple lakes, and then it goes all the way out to the ocean. So they could come up here and attack people. It's so shallow and warm though, holy shit. So they're telling you to be careful of the mangroves, don't cut them or burn them. They hold the soil together. Wow, oh, it's mushy. Oh, you sink in a little bit. I think this is hard over here, right? Oh, this is hard. So there's like a little bit of mush and then it was hard again. Pirates Cove. Unfucking believable. It's like a party out here. It's pretty sick. But you can find your own spot. Like there's so much places to just go hang out. Yeah, look at that sandy beach over there. Fucking cool, man. We got 15 minutes, you said? Yeah. 15? Dope. So I was just thinking, I'm not sure how these mangroves grow here since it's fresh water. I thought mangroves lived in salt water, but maybe it's some weird species. All right, guys, so we're back at the Spanish Fortress after our tour. So the tour was 250 pesos. I might have said that already, but well worth it. So I suggest if you come to Bacalar, take those tours. Go to the Pirate Cove, go to the cenotes and Bird Island. Well, ice cream! Oh my god! Cream? I don't know.
No. Oh, it
just is. Just chippies and juice. Is it? Oh, well, I don't feel like walking back down. I'm sure we'll see another ice cream guy soon. I like gelato here. It's so good. Anyways, guys. Cheers!